Okay, inner wing teardown continues apace. Section around the motor horn there, that's a mess, that'll want cleaning up. Inner wing's otherwise solid. Everything's out, ignition coil out, wiring loom for that section out. Next step is going to be the servo, master cylinder, and the distribution pipe work there. That's got to go out next. Interestingly, we look down here. I don't know whether you can make it out. Just there. That is a mounting point for this huge cross member here. So getting that out is going to be interesting. The other side, I think, is a lot better. You can just about make out a bolt and captive nut there. But this one's going to be interesting. Maybe actually good news is that we do have a lot of fabrication to do around here, so if necessary it's not going to be too painful to chop out anything that needs chopping out. But there we go. Engine bay's getting clearer. Everything that's been taken out is up here. That's going to be bagged, tagged, and in due course cleaned up. There's the loom. Always remember, the wiring loom is removed from inside the car. So grab the bit, that bit there, that's inside the car, work that grommet loose, and then gradually work all the wiring out of the engine bay through into the car. Refitting it is the reversal of that procedure. So yeah, that's the next bit. Bag and tag that, and get the brake parts out.